How to fix Google Play Store sign in issue couldn't sign in on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this issue easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again, and now type here Google Google Play, and here we'll find Google Play services. Click on it, click storage, and then clear cache, and after that click Google Play Store and then click force stop, and now storage and clear cache, and now go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, now clear data, click OK and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.